Welcome to proactivephysioknowledge.com. Today I am giving you the information about the training stabilizers versus mobilizers from the movement point of view. In our routine clinical practice, we use specific group of muscles to improve the stability of a joint, and we use certain exercise for improving the mobility. A stabilization program frequently use eccentric and a concentric movement which try to train the stabilizers to act like prime movers. Unfortunately, these presuppose that a stabilizer will stabilize more successfully if it is strengthened. Common strengthening exercise will probably result in an increasing in the concentric exercise. Although the muscles get stronger when they short and lengthen, there is a still lack of a timing and a control which is necessary for real functional stabilization. We ought to work out our muscles the same way we use them. More than any other muscles group, stabilizers must act quickly to maintain a posture and restrain a joint motion during loading movement. This may be debatable. However, it is true. When training a stability, use the exercise which is the highest movement quality possible. When dynamic quality of a movement cannot be achieved, switch back to the static posture where alignment can be a problematic. Stabilizers safeguards our joints. They align our segments and balance our body in a space as a complementary dampener that refine and moderate the explosive energy of the prime movers. It would be an understatement to refer a stabilizers as a multitasker. To go even further detail, if quality and functional patterns hadn't previously been disregarded, it wouldn't even be required to train a stability. When we began to teach a partial movement pattern rather than whole movement patterns, and when we put a premium, or I can say when we put a load on a quality of movement, it disregarded to setting. A specified quality is a maximum rather than a minimum. Although some might contend that progression are necessary, diving up the movement pattern into individual movement pattern. This training does not yield the same results as adopting a developmental progression. Without experiencing isolated exercise, if we take an example of a toddler, they master in various movement patterns. They practice movement patterns at level of increasing difficulty. The best strategy to strengthen the stability is to practice the basic functional movement and to avoid engaging in any condition or fitness activities that cause a departure from this foundation of a movement pattern. It is necessary to take a precaution in these circumstances to monitor the movement pattern. In summary, whenever possible, strengthen the genuine stabilization because some sports and activities might really undermine the stability over time. If you like this, don't forget to share and do visit my website proactivephysioknowledge.com. Thank you.